Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be, I want to go through and detail the inside of my Jeep again, the way I did it the other week. I made a video on it. Now, it's not the normal detail you might think of, the steam cleaning, the vacuuming, the really, deep detail, the way professionals do it. I'm not a professional detailer. Basically, I'm just going to be using Armor All wipes. So I'm wiping down the interior, the dash, everything. I'm going to do that again. This time I'm going to film it so you can see exactly what I'm doing. And so you can see what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, and how good it really looks. You don't need to spend, hundreds of dollars on a professional detail. Although I would like to, because I want to have my vehicles done inside and out professionally. Washed, waxed, polished, detailed, the whole 9 yards. So I'm going to go through that today in my Jeep, and I'm going to go do my detail. Not professional detail, just doing the inside, Armor All, wiping things down, really giving it a good rub down. And you'll see what I'm up to. So, let's get to it. Alright guys, so as you can see, I've got my Armor All cleaning wipes here. Like I said, I'm just going to go through and give everything a good rub down, good scrub, to make it look as good as I can. And these wipes really work. Whew. It's hot as hell out here. But anyway, we'll get down to it. I'm just going to use one wipe at a time and do it like that. But we're just going to start. Really just get into everything. Give a good scrub down. Again, this is not a professional job. Again, I'm not a professional. But I'm going after it. With everything I've got, with all my energy, to make it look good. I like a clean vehicle. I don't like a dirty vehicle. As you can see, look at this. Already, just doing the back of the seat, you can kind of see how dirty that is. Yeah. I'm gonna make a big pile of them. Right down here. And my hands aren't the cleanest today, but I'm gonna go through and really rub down. Get up under here, in between the headrest, back at the headrest. And again, one wipe at a time. Get the little bits of trash out. There's a rat in here somewhere. I don't know where the hell he's at, but he's in here. Okay. I mean, like I said, just rub it down again. I gotta give it another good vacuuming. And just look at that. Disgusting. Like I said, the last time I did it, I went through an entire tub just like this one. Just doing the inside, the seats, cleaning it up, making it look professional, making it really look good. It really popped the last time I did it. It really did, it popped. But, again, it's not, I'm really putting all my energy into it, trying to make it look good. You might use 10 or so towels, wipes on one seat, but hey, I really want it to look good. I just vacuumed it out the other day. This thing gets pretty dirty pretty quick because it's my daily driver, But I'll bring it around, bring the camera around, show you what I'm up to, how much different it looks. Little spots here and there I haven't got yet, but it really does pop. It makes a big difference. Alright, let me bring the camera around and show you what I'm working with. Here we have it. You know, it may be kind of hard, difficult to tell on camera, but I mean, you can see right there, there's a dirt spot there, dirt spot there. Basically, that's where my hand was. But spot there. But if you look here, it really looks different. I wiped it. I'm putting all my energy into it, cleaning it up good, trying to. But yeah. We'll go to the passenger side now, where we just were. Damn, the humidity's something today. But here we are on the passenger side. You can kind of see the difference. The driver's seat versus the passenger seat. It's dirty. You know, you can definitely see. Hadn't washed it in about 2 weeks. But yeah. So we got the. I'm gonna go over the driver's seat again. Come back. Do the passenger seat. As you can see, look at the back, see how disgusting it is. Just bleh. And this here, this is just stains. I may never get that out. Maybe with a steam cleaner it might come out, but who knows. Now the door panels still look really good. I'll wipe them down again. The back of the seat, I'll wipe it down again too. It's starting to get dirty again. It also has to do with the color of your interior. If you've got a black interior, it won't show up as bad. But since this is a white, kind of like a cream color interior, you gotta keep after it if you want it to look good, stay looking good. Again, there's the back seat. You know, I do need to vacuum it out again. But yeah. So back we go. And I apologize for the I'm using my new tripod, and it came with a remote. But when it comes to me making my videos, I can hit the button. Let's see. Here's the remote right here. That little button there at the bottom, that's to start the video. You can't pause the video with it, because if you press it, it'll stop the video completely. I'm trying to make sure I don't keep it in my pocket so it don't stop the video. Oh man, it's humid. Nice clean rag. You know, my hands are not dirty. They're fairly clean. But I'm going to wipe it down again. Get places that... Again, it needs to be vacuumed down. It gets a rat trap. Like I said, there's a rat in here somewhere. I put traps out. I put a little bit of poison in here, and he just will not fall for it. He just, look at that. Just, ugh. You know, once it gets a little bit dirty, I'm just gonna swap rags. Get after the back again. Damn you. I cannot stand summertime. Oh, I cannot stand summertime. My body doesn't like it. My lungs can't take it. Come on, October. I just want cool weather. Doing the back now again. It really does pop. You know, you got to get after it. You know, you really got to get into it. Because of the color of the interior, you know. It's going to look dirty in a couple days again anyway. But I just want to make this video to show y'all, if you have the time and the energy you want to put into it to really do a half-ass decent job, it can be done. You can do it. With the humidity today, I was checking the weather. The humidity today, it's like 90 degrees, but the humidity makes it feel like 103 or something like that. But yeah. I love keeping my cars clean, inside, outside. If I could just get that doggone rat out of here. I've tried the old-fashioned traps, the sticky traps, like I said, poison. He will not leave. Get that right there. That's getting kind of, nah. Oh. Alright. Now, we're going to hit the door panel. You can see it right here. It's the, you know, look. And like I said, I work at Walmart, so when I get off of work, I try to wash up as best I can. And sometimes I don't get 100%, my arms and stuff, 100% clean, so my my doors get real dirty right here. Where I grab on, get oily and dirty, and just, you know. You know, you can kind of start to tell the difference right here. But I want to find me a good detailer who knows what he's doing. And this is the tricky part right here. So you can already tell just a little bit of rubbing. Look at that. You can already tell the difference. Whew. I ain't gonna be able to stand out here much longer. This damn heat. Get right down here. Up in here like this. I mean, it really does. It's already looking better. In the sunlight, you can still see some spots, but go right along in here like this. And I'm almost at 900 subscribers, so I would like to hit 1,000 before the end of the year. Make that my New Year's resolution. Hit 1,000 subscribers before 2025. So y'all watch these videos, like button, subscribe to my channel, tell your friends about me. I may not be, you know, a professional editor, but the way I do it, you know, it's good enough until I can, you know, until I get better at my editing skills, get me a good computer, and you know. The door handles, I'm going to have my door panel handles replaced. I got one brand new one that the guy I'm buying it from sent me. But these things are, you got to take the whole door panel off and cut pieces out here. And you can see I got a zip tie. That's my door handle. Redneck, huh? Well, that's me, the old redneck from the South. You know, why would you want to go out and spend $60,000, $70,000 on a fancy new car when you could just fix up the one you already have and make it look good, keep it forever? I keep my cars forever. They make me happy. I got no intention to get rid of any of them. Some of these spots can be a little bit tedious. But if you go after it hard enough, it will come clean. Oh, let's see if I can get down here. I don't get down here a whole heck of a lot. Look at that, just look at that. Spots I really haven't washed and gotten to yet. Here like this, right there, much better. As you can see, we've already used up quite a few rags, but you know, when we zoom in, door handle there, it looks a lot better. We come down here. Yeah, there's still some spots that I've missed, but it's the design of the door handle, the material it's made out of too. It's not as easy to clean. It kind of got that rough texture to it. But then again, it is a Jeep. Most people think road vehicles, and they're really not. But this has already been about a 15-minute long video, so I'm not going to keep y'all much longer. But I wanted to show you how I did it. Like I said, it's not a professional job, but if you got the patience, and even though I can't stand being out in this heat, I get bored easy. So you see back here in my back trunk area, it's fairly dirty. Try to get after it maybe too. But I'm gonna go through and go all the way around the passenger seat and the back seats, get them knocked out. Them clean as best I can, do the dash and all again. But But I do want to thank you for watching my videos. If you enjoyed this content, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss another one of my videos. Again, I'm not a professional detailer. It's just the way I'm doing it. It looks good, you know. But yeah, we're almost at 900 subscribers. Y'all enjoy my videos, tell your friends. I like to see 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. So, y'all go and help me out with that if you will. I appreciate it. And thank y'all for watching once again. Stay cool and take it easy.